Hello everyone. Today we are flying an Airbus 333. Today we are going to fly this Airbus 333. So, but the special thing that is in today's plane, this is the engine failure simulation. Oh, so the engine failure simulation. This is it. And the engine failure simulator. The engine emergency simulation. This is a special one, a special simulator. So we are going to take off. Let's take off.
ready
ready to take off already.
वाह आपका क्या इधर आओ मैडम जी इधर आइयो.
So today we are going to, so let's remove.
अंकल जी परनीत कपड़ा नहीं पहनना है.
Okay, so we're getting near. Engine failure. See.
गंदे और
So we have got our landing gears down. So we are going in this direction. This is a farm direction. Here we have got a lot of fields. So it's easy, not too many houses. We can perform a landing here.
But there is a ATC.
Oh shit, we crashed. We failed. But we can. Oh man, we failed. We can't come here also because we
परनीत
can crash. Oh, here we can go. No, we can't. Oh shit, our nose dive. Okay, let's just put this for emergency. Okay, now these are a lot of fields.
क्या
So it's safe for us to land here. And we are slowing down. We are slowing down. Sorry, this person who's shouting is our maid. I don't know. She's very creepy. Okay, so we have landed here. Okay, so hope you liked that video. See you later.